Hey lovelies, welcome back again to another recipe video. So for our local garden egg sauce, I'll start by pounding my tomatoes, onions and scotch bonnets. Now that that's done, I'm also going to be pounding my garden egg. So I already parboiled all this before, so I'm just pounding them. So I'll go ahead and add palm oil to the pan, some salt, some onions, and also our seasoning cube. So I'll go ahead and add my tomatoes, which I pounded earlier, and just allow that to simmer a bit. I'll go ahead and add the garden egg. Yes, so take a look at that. Take a look at how beautiful that is. So you can actually eat this with anything: yam, plantain. I think you can even eat it with rice, because I tried it with rice sometime and it tasted so well. So now I added my crayfish, my prawns, which are air fried, and also my fish. Right now I'm just stirring the sauce because you don't want your sauce to get burnt, so you have to keep stirring. Take a look at that beautiful that look. It looks so good, no? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and let me know if you have tried this before or if you're going to be trying out this recipe. And if you do, please don't forget to send me a feedback. Thank you. Wow, our sauce is good as ready. So guys, hope you found this video useful, helpful, needful. So guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, follow and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye for now. Ciao.